back again. My name is Oge, and I hope you are getting value from this channel. Kindly watch the video to the end to gain some value. Ask your question on the comment section while I show you some easy and tactical, or I'll use strategical way to analyze the market. Now we have today's topic: techniques to locate a perfect order block, or how to get a perfect entry order block. Firstly, the large bullish or bearish candle before the impulse move, a fair value gap, which is a must to make that order block a strong order block, a BOS, that's a break of structure, CHOCH, a change of character, or some people do write on their chart MSS. Now, how do you know a valid order block? A valid order block comes with a structural break. The first thing we see is a structural break. I'm going to use a more lower time frame. But let me use this chart. I'm going to use a more lower time frame, but I'm going to show you as a diagram. This is a bullish scenario: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And this is a what? A bearish scenario: lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Are you with me? Good. Now this is how we know a bullish movement and we know a bearish movement. So how do we know a strong and a valid order block? Now a valid order block is it comes first with what we have, what a scenario of either a change of character or a break of structure. I want to show you a secret in this video. Now carry it at the back of your mind that candle wicks indicators or swing points can help you define a structure, while um the body of the candle, when it comes to the wick, that's this body now, it signifies either a BOS or a change of character. Now you can see that there was a break of change of character here. You can see that here. Let me delete this whole zones here. You can see that here. And what do we have? We have an order block with the highest wick here. This is our order block. And what do we have also again that makes that order block a valid order block? We have what? We have a fair value gap. You can go to your lower time frame as low as 1 minute in that zone area, and you can still mark a perfect zone area for the entry. You can see this zone here. What do we have? We have what? We had a shift in market structure in here as our mitigation block. And what did we have here? We had what? A fair value gap. Market came in here and there was an impulse move. Can you see that here? We also have here a break of structure here. Can you see? And what do we have here? We have an order block, making it a valid perfect order block for a perfect entry. And what do we also have here that can make that order block very valid? We have what? A fair value gap. Anytime you see a fair value gap in an order block in the zone, actually in a zone that gives you a correct bias, you know that you are getting a perfect order block. Are you with me? A perfect order block. Now what do we have here? We have what? A break of structure, and we have what? A fair value gap, and we also have what? An order block. An order block. Sorry. Another block. We have what? We have what? We have a fair value gap. Sorry about that. We have a fair value gap here, and you can see market came there. It's trying to signal to us that there was order in the market in that zone. If I go around the chart, if I go down to as far as 1 minute, look at the time frame here, as far as 5 minutes, as far as 15 minutes, I would see valid order blocks in those areas. Now if you see, what do you see here? You see a break of structure, right? This is how you know a perfect entry order block. And what do we see here? We see what? We see an order block. And what makes that order block zone to be strong? We see what? We see a fair value gap. This will indicate to us that there is order in the market in that area. Either you are buying low to sell high, or you are selling high. You are buying low to sell high, or you are selling high to buy low. I hope you understand that scenario, what I just said now. That will give you a better bias on how to get a valid order block. There's no order here. You keep looking around to get a valid order block. This was liquidity sweep around here, trying to find something nice for it. No, I'm sure you can locate an order block. Okay, you can see one here. There's what, a break of structure here. You can see it, and this is a whole order block on its own here. And what do you see here? You see what, a minor fair value gap inside here. There was order in this zone, and what happened here, market came back, took in the order. Market came to buy low. Let's assume you are selling in orange of 15 naira. Market came to buy it low and it's selling high. You can see it, a valid order block has a fair value gap. An order block, the one that comes out with a weak and impulse move. Well, if you go around the chart, you shall see good order block. You see a mark here also. You see a shift in market structure here. Can you see that now? Then what do we have here? We have an order block, the last kind of impulse move. That's point 2. And what also do we have to make that order block a strong order block? We have what? A fair value gap. Do you see that, making that order block to be a strong order block? So I hope this video was impactful to you. If you have any question, don't forget to ask me in the comment section. I try my best to reply everybody one by one. Ask your questions and I'll reply you. If you can message me, my WhatsApp number is the email, I will reply you. But don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thank you so much.